Niagara Falls, one of nature's grandest spectacle. Here's how day one of our magical 3-day getaway unfolded. We started our journey from home around noon with packed breakfast and excitement. After a scenic drive of about 2.5 hours, we reached Niagara Falls. The drive was smooth, and seeing the Niagara signs as we got closer made us feel like little kids again, full of excitement. We checked into Embassy Suites by Hilton, a spacious suite with a breathtaking falls view right from our window. This room felt like a front row seat to nature's drama. The moment we walked into our room and looked out the window, we were like, wow, the falls were right there. You could hear them too. It felt so cozy and peaceful, like our own little escape with the best view ever. After freshening up, we enjoyed complimentary snacks and drinks offered by the hotel. A perfect start to unwind. In the evening, we stepped out to explore. Before the trip, we booked the Niagara Falls Adventure Pass Plus online. It's a great value if you're planning to explore the main attractions. It includes entry to popular spots like Journey Behind the Falls, the Power Station, the Tunnel Experience, Whitewater Walk, Whirlpool Aero Car, Butterfly Conservatory, Floral Show House, and access to historical sites. The pass also covers transportation on the Vigo buses, the Falls Incline Railway, and even includes shuttle to Niagara on the Lake. We first took a short walk to see the falls up close. The sheer roar and mist instantly pulled us in. First stop, Journey Behind the Falls. Clad in yellow ponchos, we walked through tunnels carved into the rock, standing right behind the thunderous curtain of water. As we walked towards the fall, the sound just got louder and louder. You could feel the mist in the air before you even got close. We stopped a few times just to soak it all in. The power of the water is something you can't really describe until you're standing right there. Next, we boarded the famous Hornblower boat. It took us heart-racingly close to the falls, a misty, unforgettable ride surrounded by nature's force and beauty. Putting on the red poncho felt funny. We knew we were going to get wet, and we definitely did. The moment when the boat goes right near the falls, we were all just laughing and holding on. It was wild and honestly unforgettable. We then explored the historic power station and its underground tunnel, a unique walk through history, ending with panoramic views of the falls. At the power station, we saw a night show about the history of Niagara Falls and how people started using the water to make electricity. It was Tesla night, so it felt extra cool. Then we took a glass elevator down to the tunnel, and right before entering, we got close-up look at the old water-powered machines. They were huge, way bigger than we expected. It really blew our minds to think how all the power was once generated right here. We went into the old tunnel underground. It was quiet, a little spooky, but really amazing, and it led us right to the falls again. At night, the falls looked magical. The lights kept changing colors, and it was so pretty. We just walked slowly, hand in hand, taking it all in. It was peaceful and really special. Back in the room, we just sat by the window for a while, watching the lights on the water. It was the perfect way to end day one. Tired, happy, and already excited for tomorrow.